Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to welcome you all, especially for today's weekly analysis. Okay, so we're looking at a few pairs, looking at this Australian and Canadian dollar, and I've been studying the constant uptrend move and looking to see where it may get its reversal. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the 4-hour time frame based on my outlook, and I'll be going down to the 15 minutes time frame, which is our entry time frame, to spot if they may most likely be possible entries for that particular pair. So for that will be for those in the VIP. So I'll be sending updates for those in the VIP for different pairs. For those on the free channel, you'll be getting updates on only GU, because that's the one I do on the free signal, while those of you on the VIP will be getting for other pairs like the AU Canadian dollar, and then the gold, euro, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and any other pair which I'll be adding. So for now, it's only the Australian dollar Canadian money that I've thought of adding already in the new week. So let's just look quickly what GU holds. This is investing.com, and these are some of the few news before the close of the markets, and we're going to be looking out for the upcoming news tomorrow, the news and the stories that will make more sense, and then the expected impacts in the markets. Okay, so we're going to be using that to decide on our trading movements. So for GBP, I already found the bank holiday, so there's going to be a bank holiday, and that will be affecting GBP, and I'll be giving updates on that also. So let's go straight to the DXY. Network is a little bit slow, please be patient. So like I said during the review for last week, I took our time to explain that we're going to be taking fewer entries and we will not be counter trading, okay, because of some of the damages it caused in the previous week. So what we're going to do for DXY is we're going to look if DXY is bullish. Anytime it's bullish, we're going to be selling pairs like the GU, okay, AU, EU. I'm going to be selling all those pairs, but pairs that are not maybe related to DXY, there will be more differences with such pairs. I'll be giving an update on that. So I want to look at DXY from the 4 hours time frame, so I could say a few things about this bearish move, because if you look at this, you see that it's bearish, but after the CPI, after the NFP on Friday, we really can't tell what next, except we do a little bit of technical analysis. Okay, so this is the 4 hour time frame, and the 4 hour time frame is looking bearish. Okay, so let's look at the liquidity sides. Where are the liquidity sides? So this is the downside and has been on an uptrend onto this side. So this is the upside liquidity, that's the buy side liquidity, and this is the sell side liquidity. So currently price is coming from the buy side liquidity and may likely come towards the sell side liquidity. So I find DXY bearish in this time frame. Okay, so most likely other correlated pairs will be bullish, like the gold, GU, and all will be most likely be bullish since DXY is pointing bearish. So let me just quickly pardon my network, it's a little bit bad this evening. Let me see quickly what those pairs are showing. Just want to check GU, AU, and then gold. Let's see what those pairs are pointing. Okay, trying to refresh the network so it can be more faster. Okay, so let me show you GU first. So this is my outlook for GU. Took our time to do this in the course of the weekend. I've done a little bit of back testing on this. So this is the upside liquidity where GU has been coming from, and it has grabbed full liquidity for the buy side, sorry, for the sell side, and it's currently going to the buy side. Okay, so but there's a fair value gap here where there might be some reactions. So from the beginning of the trading week, first I'm going to be buying GU up to this fair value gap. Okay, but if it takes out this fair value gap for any reasons and begin to give any reversal, be attentive to follow as well to this liquidity side. But I'm expecting it just to react on this fair value gap to go upward, and that confirms the bullish move, of which I said DXY is bearish. Then if I come to Euro USD, you see that Euro USD is almost playing out the same thing that GU is doing as well. Why is it taking so much time to open? So Euro USD is almost playing out the same thing. Gold is the one that is a little bit different. Let me just show you quickly. So for those of you on the free channel, I'm going to be giving you updates in the course of the week, okay, with the entries. And for those of you on the VIP channel, I'll be giving you updates also with the entries. So like I said, we're going to be taking fewer entries this week, no counter training this week. So we're following the market trend the way it ought to be. So if the XY is bearish, we'll be buying. If the XY is bearish, then we'll be, so if it's the XY is buying, then we'll be selling. No counter trading. And one of the key things we're going to apply in this week is patience. Let me quickly refresh the network again and see if it can be faster. Patience. So instead of counter trading, we're going to wait for price to get to the liquidity side for our sell moves. If we're supposed to be selling, then if we're buying, we're going to wait for price to get to the liquidity side before we buy. And we're going to pay attention to the premium and discount zones. For the discounts, we don't want to be selling too expensive, so we'll make sure that price is at for the discount. We don't want to be buying too expensive, so we'll make sure that price is at the best price before we buy. And then for selling as well, premium. So this is the Euro UXD, and this is my outlook for it. So it still points back to the bullish move. Okay, still points back to the bullish move. So if it goes bullish, if DXY goes bearish, then Euro will be going bullish. Then you can see it's coming from the buy stop liquidity, and currently has grabbed full liquidity on the sell side, and it's most likely returning back to the buy side, which we want to follow up that trend to see how many pips will be catching on that. So for gold, which is the one that is a little bit different, take note, every other pairs of it will be on the VIP, and that of the free will be on the, that's GPUSD will be on the free group, free channel. So this is for gold, and my time is up for this particular analysis. Gold, could you open quickly before I close up? Okay, so this is what I'm seeing for gold. See you.